There was me, Ginger, a huge whale, an alien, and even Peter!
Okay, Mr. Sammy, the picture of your dream is ready. You can have a look.
Oh, Sue, this drawing is amazing, just like it was in my dream, but...
What is it, Sammy? Don't you like it?
Sue, my dream was unbelievably bright and colorful. It was fantastic.
Well then, Sammy, I invite you to our craft table. Let's add color to this drawing.
Sue, do hamsters see colorful dreams?
I'm not sure, Sammy. Hi guys! Today Sam had an interesting dream, and we're going to make it really bright.
Here you go, Sue.
Thanks, Sammy. We'll start the outline from the upper left corner and steadily go down. Let's get started.
Sue, tell me, does everyone see such bright dreams like I do?
No, Sammy. It appears that 12% of people in our world see only black and white dreams.
I got it! It means that every night they watch a black and white movie.
Sammy, what's your guess? What kind of dreams does our Ginger have?
Guys, I think that he dreams of you giving thumbs ups to our videos, so don't forget to do it this time!
The outline is ready. Now we'll use some magic and proceed with the coloring. On this side, we'll have markers of warm shades. Snap! And here are all the cold shades.
Sue, what does that mean, cold and warm shades?
All cold shades usually contain something bluish in them, while the warm shades usually have something yellowish, you know?
This reminds me of Salvador Dali style, don't you think so?
What an interesting thought, Sammy. I believe that if Salvador Dali lived in this time, he would defo draw pictures like this.
Guys, I'd call this style surrealism.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. That's a great idea. But don't you want to make your own contribution to our drawing?
Sure, Sue. I'll be happy to participate in the creative process, but first I need to eat something tasty. I can't work properly without sweets. Art is always amazing. That's what the great master Sam said. I guess it looks cool. Oh, so you're back. I just finished here.
Great job, Sammy! By the way, I noticed that your dream is many things connected to music. Why do you think that happened?
That's because I can't imagine my life without music and dancing. And right now, I'm off to the dance floor.
I'm happy for you, Sammy. In the meantime, we'll proceed to color your dream.
So, you know, that dream of mine even tasted like candies.
No wonder, Sammy. That's because you eat too many sweets.
Yeah, more sweets!
Oh, Sammy, you little prankster. You only think about candies.
Yep, because that's the best source of inspiration.
Huh. I never thought about that, actually. This is it, guys. Our drawing is finished.
Susie. This picture looks even better and prettier than my dream was. Oh, you're the best painter of my dreams. Next time we'll draw more surrealistic pictures.
Sammy. Guys, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you liked this video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.